is in Chugwater, Wyoming, and this is where the magic happens. We are really excited. We have a new product to share with you today. It's our Chugwater chili green chili seasoning. What we're going to do when we make our green chili is we're going to brown up 1 pound of pork. Today we've used pork chops and just diced it up in a nice even dice. You can also roast pork and shred it, or you could use chicken or even make a vegetarian green chili. The next thing we're going to add are tomatillos. You can find them in your market, like this. You could use fresh if you happen to have them in your garden too. We just want to chop those tomatillos up a little bit so they break down really nicely in your green chili. There you go. Give those a little bit of a stir. Next, we're going to add a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. Just mild is fine. There is some spice to the green chili seasoning mix. So if you find that you want more, you could either add more seasoning mix or you could use a hotter diced chili. We're also going to add 1 15-ounce can of chicken broth. It's looking good already. And then last but not least, our lovely green chili seasoning. For a batch this size, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of our seasoning mix. 2 and 3. Like I mentioned before, like our other chili products, it's very easy to adjust the seasoning blend to your level of heat. That is all there is to it. Now we're going to let it simmer for about a half an hour and let it thicken a little bit, and then it's great. It's to serve just on its own, or it's fantastic to serve on top of burritos. We served some the other day on top of breakfast burritos. It was fantastic. Or even quesadillas. It's pretty limitless. You guys, it's up to you and your imagination. Thanks for being Chugwater Chili fans, and we're happy to see you again.